Hey guys, this is one of those like off the cuff vlogs. I did a vlog last night actually. I was in Amman in Jordan, and I did it while I was in bed, but you know what, I didn't like it, so I may upload it. Maybe I'll upload it as a different video, but I thought, you know what, I'm just going to do another one today. Stop messaging me on Facebook while I'm vlogging. So yeah, do you know what, I went to my room and there was like a wedding being held there, and in Jordan weddings are massive things, way bigger than they are in the UK sort of thing. I'm choking on my way to bed. And they go really eccentric over there, and I was only on the second floor, which is actually like the first floor of rooms, because it's like 2 floors of, like, you know, lobby and other rooms and whatnot. And they started with these, stop it! They started banging on these drums as part of this wedding. They had like a live drummer like band there. They were absolutely hammering on these drums as loud as they could. And, you know, it was like Jumanji in my bedroom basically. And I was just like, oh my god, I can't sleep like this. I had to go and change rooms. Thankfully, they just had 1 room left, otherwise I'm going to ape at them basically. Anyway, been out tonight this evening. Saw Nat earlier on for lunch. Went to the Giraffe. That was quite cool. And nice to see her. Talked a bit more about Florida Mark III. Which is coming up hopefully. Well, it is basically in September again. Woo! You know. Let me put the Back to the Future hat on, because I should really be wearing this now. And I've just been out this evening to the Harvester for dinner with some of my friends. It's quite funny, basically. I can't even remember half of it. What are you talking about? Apparently Game Station in the UK are in trouble, massive amount of debts and stuff. I don't know, one of my friends is talking about it here. Let me just say to him, hang on, Facebook, I can't remember their names. BRB. Be right back. Oops, sorry, be right back, there we go. Yeah, no, we were talking about like new jobs and stuff, because obviously, you know guys, I can't really say much at the minute, but our company's going through a takeover at the minute, and we're not too sure what's going on. And I was like, blah 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 blah, and I was like, that's disgusting. I was like, I'm allergic to them. I can't say what it is because it'll give it away, but I was like, oh my god, oh my god, I'm allergic to them. I'm just sick on it, and like a Tabasco style thing. So my housemate Mike was like trying to do it as well, just as this like lady was walking by our table. And he was like, it was all these weird noises, and we were just like, he's kind of embarrassing sound. I was like, Mike, you sound like, do you remember those little like luminous tubes you used to get? And he used to go, hello, 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 those things, yeah. I was like, you do that, and we were just cracking up laughing. And bless him, we were pretty cruel actually to poor Mike, because we were talking about him getting married and what it'd be like, and one of the other guys on the table said that he reckons his wife will just be covered in hair. So I had the comb, and I was going like this with this. Well, I was using a fork to represent the comb, and I was combing my face and my armpits and my belly and everything. It was just hysterical at the time, you know. Anyway, we were crying with laughter. I had ice cream bubbling out of my lips because I was trying to hold it in so much. And yeah, so yeah, that was that really. What else is there? Oh yeah, I read an article today on YouTube and vloggers and stuff, and it just got me so back into it. I really want to start making more videos. So, you know, I need to upload more regularly, because I have been really bad lately. I just don't know, loads of things go on at work and at home, and I become a bit complacent. I think, you know, I'm tired, I don't know what to make a video on. I've got loads of great ideas for videos, guys, but like, it's just a case of now Kim, or Chris, as you know, is not here anymore. It's a case of like, I need someone to be able to do these videos with me sometimes, or at least hold the camera for me. I need a bit more of a Tabasco style, maybe, because he does a lot of videos on his own, and he's quite funny, but he's getting into more like, you know, group things. I don't know, but it's just stuff I like doing. I enjoy video editing, you know, I really want to get into it. And I want to do my impressions as well. I really think I am quite good at doing impressions and stuff, so I'm thinking about doing some impressions for a channel. I do some good Schmeagle ones. Shaggy, as in not Shaggy from Scooby-Doo, the singer Shaggy, you know. Wasn't me when I saw you on the counter. Wasn't me when I saw you on the sofa. Wasn't me when I saw you know. You're Mr. Bombastic, Jelly Fantastic, watch me now, Mr. Whoa, romantic, you know, that sort of thing. And great Schmeagle, as I say, Lord of the Rings, you know. Ah, take it up, Master, it burns us, George, ah, you know. I need to hear him again, actually, to be fair, to get it spot on. But yeah. It's been a pretty good day. I've got to be up really early, like 3:25 in the morning, like English time. That's horrendous. If you're in America, you're in Florida, 5 hours behind. It makes it about 10:25 at night. And I'm getting up for work. Oh my god, I'm allergic to earlies as well. I will be talking and revealing more stuff about things soon, guys. Keep your eyes peeled. I might put a video up on the main Kim and Kai channel because we've got like nearly 6,000 subscribers, and I'm getting like, I think I've got like 100 or something on this vlogging channel, so I need more. If I'm going to do this properly, I need more. So I might put a video up and say, look, come on guys, over to the vlogging channels, you know. Let's have some proper sort of like subscriptionists. We had a lot of subscribers for the Kim and Kai. This will still be just as good. Come over to the vlogging with Kai channel. Oh my god, I'm burping. Anyway, I'm going to go because I've been chatting for long enough already, and I've been chatting for 6 minutes. I found out this camera last night as well when I was also doing a vlog. Only records for... Have you got a dent? Oh my god, you got a dent. Oh, yeah, it is a dent. You only record for 10 minutes before you then cut off, even with the best memory card, you know, class 10. So, anyway, I want to say, thanks for watching Vlogging with Kai. I'm Scotty. That's my name. Oh my god, what is that? What is that? This cat is going to fuck somebody up. Gonna fuck you up, girl. You're not looking happy, girl. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I want to thank you all for staying tuned to the channel. And yeah, I'll be uploading some more videos soon, guys. I will be, I promise. I'm gonna try and do one if I can every day, just even if it's just like a bit chit chat, you know, sort of thing. I hope you enjoy it. And yeah, if you got any ideas, guys, post them my way. I'll be happy to respond and you know, do some more videos or whatever you want. Give you a shout out if you want one, or whatever. Cool. Speak to you soon. Lots of love. Don't forget to glow. Oh my god. Go vlog yourself. Peace off. Bye bye.